Find all positive integers x and y such that x root y plus y root x minus root of 2022x minus root of 2022y plus root of 2022xy equals 2022. By rearranging the original equation, we have x root y plus y root x minus root of 2022x minus root of 2022y plus root of 2022xy minus 2022 equals 0. We can write the terms x root y and minus root of 2022x as one group. Similarly, we can write the terms y root x and minus root of 2022y as one group. And we can write the terms root of 2022xy and minus 2022 as one group. The two terms in the first group have a common factor, root x, so we can write root x times root of xy minus root of 2022. Similarly, the two terms in the next group have a common factor, root y, so we can now write root y times root of xy minus root of 2022. And the two terms in the next group have a common factor, 2022. So we can now write root of 2022 times root of xy minus root of 2022. We can see that the three terms have a common factor, root of xy minus root of 2022. So we can now write root of xy minus root of 2022 times root x plus root y plus root of 2022 equals 0. So either root of xy minus root of 2022 equals 0, or root x plus root y plus root of 2022 equals 0. Since root x plus root y plus root of 2022 is greater than 0, so root of xy minus root of 2022 must equal 0. By rearranging the equation, we have xy equals 2022. Since x and y are positive integers and the full list of positive factors of 2022 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 337, 674, 1011, and 2022. So xy equals 1, 2022, 2, 1011, 3, 674, 6, 337. As x and y are symmetrical, so 2022, 1, 1011, 2, 674, 3, 337, 6 are also solutions of the original equation. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.